Hey guys, so I managed to achieve an average 350 FPS with the Iron Pangolin using 1g regular worker darts, a custom stainless steel 2.5x280mm spring, and without a B-car. Previous review videos link on the top right corner. After testing a whole bunch of 2.5mm springs with 1g regular worker darts, I was so tired that I gave up priming with one hand after about 30 shots and started using two hands instead. Also, the fatigue was so bad that after priming more than 50 times, I gave up testing with the 1.3g saber T-darts. So let's just do an educated guess instead. Based on past experiences and testings, 1.3g T-darts are usually around 10 to 20 FPS lower than 1g regular worker darts. In this case, the Iron Pangolin's average FPS with 1.3g saber T-darts is estimated to be about 330 to 340 FPS with this custom 2.5x280 spring. Here's the footage of the chronograph test with the 2.5mm springs with various lengths. Here's a summary of the chronograph results and my opinions. The 2.5x280 spring got the highest average FPS of 350. If you are in America, you may want to add 20 to 30 FPS to these numbers for a more accurate estimate. On American soil, the Iron Pangolin will hit about 380 FPS. Previously, I also tested the Iron Pangolin with a custom 2.2x305mm stainless steel spring and 70cm barrel, and got slightly higher FPS compared to the factory heavy 2.0 spring. This 2.2 spring was still okay to prime with one hand. As mentioned in my earlier, more detailed review of the Iron Pangolin, a good buddy from my local nerfing community lent me this blaster for review. So for an actual nerf game, I will recommend that he use the factory heavy 2.0 spring with default 60cm barrel, or my custom 2.2 spring and custom 70cm barrel. These two configurations will be better and more practical, as the blaster is still good to be primed with one hand only. I would not recommend using the 2.5 spring for a nerf game. Clearly, with a high average FPS of 350, you will have the range advantage and will be able to snipe targets from 50 meters away. But it is impractical. The rate of fire is probably around 1 dart per 5 seconds. It is also almost impossible to prime with one hand multiple times in the game without tiring yourself out quickly, unless you have strong gorilla arms. It is still okay for plinking long-range targets casually, where you can slowly take your time to prime the blaster with two hands, aim and shoot. Also, there is the risk of damaging the blaster's internals, but Diamond Dogs does have spare replacement parts readily available online, so fire away if you can afford it. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you found this useful. Thank you and see you.